Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely day and you're ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we're going to be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these strategies to help you with your reading. The ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at the pictures in the book to help you with the words. And your stretchy snake is when you look at the letters in the word and you stretch the sounds out slowly, and you go back and say the sounds all together. Let's have a go at stretchy snake of our own. Pirate. P-I-R-A-T. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. The book that we're going to be looking at this week is called Pirate Adventure. Here is our book on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. Pirate Adventure. Biff was looking at a book. The book was about pirates. I don't like pirates, she said. Wilf and Wilma came to play. They went into Biff's room. They looked at a little house. It's a magic house, said Biff. Don't be silly, said Wilma. They looked at the key. It's a magic key, said Chip. Don't be silly, said Wilf. The key began to glow. The magic was working. Oh, help, said Wilma. The magic was working. The children got smaller and smaller and smaller. Oh no, said Will. Oh, help, said Wilma. We don't like this, they said. They looked at the house. The windows were glowing. Biff went to the door. She put the key in the lock. She opened the door. The children went up inside the house. It's a magic house, they said. Look at the sand, said Biff. Look at the sea, said Chip. Come on, they said. They ran to the sea. Wilf picked up a shell. Chip picked up a coconut. Biff climbed up a tree. Wilma went in the sea. This is magic, they said. They played on the sand, they played in the sea. What an adventure, said Biff. A pirate came up. He looked at the children. Children, said the pirate. Pirates, said the children. Oh, help, they said. Come on, said the pirates. The pirates had a boat. They went to the pirate ship. I don't like pirates, said Biff. Look at that pirate, said Biff. Look at that big rope, said Chip. I'm frightened, said Will. We wanted a party, said the pirate. Nobody wanted to come. Will you come to the party? The children went to the party. It was a good party. I like pirates, said Biff. The key was glowing. It was time to go. Goodbye, said Chip. Thank you for the party. Oh no, said the pirates. What an adventure, said Wilma. I like the pirates, said Biff. Wilf looked at the little hat. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you're struggling with some of the words, don't forget you can rewind the video and listen to me read it, or on Oxford Owl they have the play button where they can read it to you. On this week's guided reading, we're going to be doing another word search. To access the word search, all you need to do is click the link that I post in your portfolio. When you click the link, it will bring you to this page. You need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you'll need to press start again and find the words down the side in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your fantastic work.